What's up, everybody? Just got done wrapping the roof, the black suede. It's more of a pain in the ass than people make it look like. If you've never done it before, you're gonna get air pockets in the headliner, just like I did. So it's loose right there. It's kind of a bitch. I got some glue on it right there. I'm about to clean that up. But you gotta take your time. It will crease on you. I'm like, it doesn't have to be perfect, so I'm not worried about it. But yeah, it's a project for sure. Got a little crease there. It's hard to roll this out and get it all smooth. Yeah, it's better than what it was though, so. Door handle I just filled in. I was like, screw it. Yeah, these indentations are hard. This is the front, obviously. My first time doing it, so it is what it is. But yeah, these little ones weren't too bad. They still don't stick all the way in the corners like they should. Fronts came out pretty good. Backs has a bigger dip, so just trying to get that all to stick. The 3M glue gets sticky in a couple minutes, takes a couple minutes. While it's wet, it's not sticky at all, so you kind of got to wait for it to tack up and then roll it out. Definitely a pain in the ass to do on your own. If you got a buddy that would help you out, definitely do it that way. But yeah, not bad at all. Black suede. Yeah, you're not gonna see the creases in the roof anyway. It's all stuck together. You just trim around the sides here, cut some slits, fold them over, wait a couple minutes for that adhesive to go ahead and tack up, and then fold the corners over. Yep, exactly 2 cans of 3M headliner adhesive. And then that was a roll of black suede from Amazon. The brand was like Hikeski or something like that. It was about $50 for the whole roll. So that's a lot better than the tan will be. Next will be starlights. Just don't know how many I'm gonna do yet. I'm gonna let this cure for a couple days before I want to mess with the starlights. So I figured I'd just show you guys 2003 to 2007 Chevy Silverado crew cab. The back dips are the hardest part because they got little air pockets in the corners. Fronts turned out good, middle was fine. And then I just have to cut out where the dome light is right in the middle, and then the front piece for the overhead console. Other than that, I think it should be fine. We'll let it dry. It says it takes about an hour, but I'm gonna let it sit for a couple days. I'm not in a rush.